Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Negril's reputation as a welcoming tourist destination is once again under scrutiny as the authorities intensify efforts to locate a man captured on video persistently sexually harassing two female tourists. We have the details from Alia Bryant.
There's a natural mystic flowing through the air.
Behind the sun-soaked shores and vibrant scenes in the resort town of Negril lies a persistent and troubling reality: sexual harassment of tourists.
No, I'm good, thank you. No, I'm good.
The words "no thank you" no longer carries the weight it once did. While the man in this viral video has not been apprehended, the police have identified and say they are working to locate him. But beach vendors whose livelihoods depend on tourism say incidents like this make their jobs more challenging.
It's bad for me, but I can stop it, you know. Like the new guy, then we harass the tourists. But remember we come here every day, we can do that. So we're from here to here and tourists know. When I said orange juice, when they don't need it, I just go. So now I said, one of these days, and they laugh. And by tomorrow morning, they buy from me. It's legal. No one allowed to sell on the beach. The horse guy who sell the fruits, the bird here, no, because we don't have a license. Because we just chance it. So either we go to jail or make some money.
Hotelier Richard Wallace describes the town's open beaches as a blessing and a curse.
When tourists are interviewed, when they're leaving or when they're overseas or having visited Jamaica, and they're asked, what's the best thing you like about Jamaica? It's the people. They say the people. That's what the number one answer is, the people. And so we don't want to shut away the people from the tourists. But there are some bad eggs that we need to get rid of.
According to the police, of the few cases of sexual harassment which have been reported, the victims leave the island before investigations are concluded, hindering efforts to tackle the issue.
We do, however, have the patrol from the resort division that does a lot of patrolling on the beach, along Norman Manley Boulevard, and on the west end where most of the tourists are. They will from time to time, under their observation, make arrests of persons who, in their view, believe to be harassing tourists.
But hoteliers believe the police need to use technology like CCTV cameras to fight crime. Daniel Grizzle, owner of Sharella Inn, says this is difficult because so many cameras aren't working, creating blind spots that leave room for incidents even more serious than harassment.
The cameras are there not to apprehend, but to prevent. And things have been slow during, just after the hurricane. We're starting to see where business is coming back. And with business coming back, there's always the attraction for those who want to make quick money.
TVJ News understands that only 16 of 60 CCTV cameras under the Jamaica Eye program are currently working.
Once people realize that they're cameras, they'll be more cautious, more careful of what they are doing. And that itself will make our visitors feel more secure.
Hoteliers are appealing for increased security measures on the beaches to safeguard the industry's vital lifeline. Alia Bryant, TVJ News.